Hello children, welcome to Rising Sun Premier School. Online classes. This is Kamlesh Baghel, your social studies teacher. Children, today will be start Geography of class 8th, chapter number 1, our resources. Now start with the chapter. Our first topic is resources. A resources is a source of supply from which plants are produced. Resources can be divided into three parts. First, natural resources. Second, human resources. And third is human-made resources. First, natural resources. Natural resources are the free gifts of nature and can be consumed directly from nature. Example, land, water and air. Second, human resources. These resources refer to the number and ability of the people. Example, knowledge, health, skill and system. Third, human-made resources. These resources are created by human beings from the material available in the environment. Example, tool, machine, buildings. Now start. Our second topic is types of resources. Resources are classified in different ways. First, classification based on exhaustibility. Second, classification based on origin. Third, classification based on their development. Classification based on exhaustibility. It can be divided into two parts. First, renewable resources. Second, non-renewable resources. First, renewable resources. These resources are easily replenished through natural process. Example, solar energy, wind energy and water. Second, non-renewable resources. Non-renewable natural resources are those that are limited in supply and are not restored. Example, petrol, oil. Classification based on origin. It can be categorized into two parts. First, biotic resources. Second, abiotic resources. Biotic resources. These are obtained from living things. Example, plants, animals and all living organisms. Abiotic resources. These are obtained from the non-living things or physical environment. Example, land, water, rocks and minerals. Classification based on their development. It can be categorized into two parts. First, actual resources and second, potential resources. Actual resources. Resources whose quantities are known and which are being used by man. Example, coal reserve in Jharkhand. Potential resources. Those resources whose entire quantity may not be known and which can be used in future. Example, uranium. Conservation of resources. It is the concept of using resources carefully so that they do not end up quickly. Sustainable development. It is the concept of using resources in a balanced way so that our purpose is solved. They are also concepts for the future. That's for now. Thanks. Stay home and stay safe.